12:48 in the afternoon right now, and the dust is starting to take over Salina, Kansas. Power lines all along this street have gone down, and there's some more power flashes. Looks like the street light was bent in the high winds as well. Okay, so I'm on I-70 on 9th Street in Salina, Kansas, north side of town, and as you can see, the high winds have knocked the power out to all of the gas stations and truck stops up here. Hotels, everything. Power is out. Some of the street lights are working, but all these businesses are out of power. On both sides of the street. Street lights are working, but like nothing, no power anywhere. And they have the road blocked off because of the power lines being down, so we can't get back up in there. One of the busiest intersections in Salina, and it's completely out of power as well. This whole section is so dark. Big tree came down in Salina.